In this video I'm going to show you how to add automated call recording on a Huawei phone after upgrading to EMUI 11. As you can see, my phone just upgraded and obviously I don't have automated call recording anymore. So let's get to it. Okay, first thing, let's get rid of this. It will tell us whatever it actually did in here. Don't really care. Got rid of that notification. And now let's make a fake call. Switched to recording this with my wife's phone from outside because screen capture stops the second you try to make a phone call. So again, let's make a fake call to Orange. As you can see, no option to record the call anywhere in here, or no text that it's already recording by itself. We will be following this article from Huawei Central, posted yesterday, so they were really fast, by Yash Mishra. I hope I'm saying the name right. I will put this link in the video description in case you want to follow the steps in here. And what we need to do is download an app to install the call recorder itself on EMUI 11. So let's download this thing. Yep, we are accepting cookies. Download. Yep, save file. Yeah, I know it can harm my device. Come on. Okay, I'm tapping right next to OK. Now open. Do you want to install? This is the app, call recorder. Yes, let's install it. Sorry about these lines on the screen, they are from recording the screen with another device. No, we are not downloading it again. It installed, so basically we should be getting out of here. So hopefully we will have it. And we do have it. And I tapped it, and as you can see, it's recording, which is awesome. Now we simply stop it. At this point, we go to settings from this cog right here. We need to go to apps, and at the bottom we have phone services. And in here we have auto record calls and make it enabled. And as you can see, it's for all calls. You can do it only for specific numbers if you want, but for me all calls it's okay. So as you can see, it remained enabled, and that should be it. So let's try again, and I'm switching to recording this with another phone. As you can see, now we are doing dual recording for a moment, and the moment I do this, we are recording only with this, and it's automatically recording. Yep, and we close it, and it tells me in here it has been recorded. Which one of them? What time is it? I think this is the last one, normally the top one. Yeah, I should have volume, sorry. And as you can see, we are recording. The other one, it's basically... No, actually no. This was the... So it's putting it at the bottom of the list. The newest recording there. So... Yep, and you could also hear me on the recording, and also the robot from the number that I was calling. So we have on EMUI 11 phone recording, call recording once again. In which case, this is the best thing ever, because I hated not having this feature anymore. So thank you very much, Huawei Central, for enabling us to have this thing once again. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope it helps you. In which case, please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.